Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by acting fast. Get 200 g spaghetti and 300 g shrimp out. Pat shrimp dry so they sear. While the water heats, season shrimp with salt and pepper. Preheat a skillet until oil shimmers. Once the pot is boiling, add spaghetti and stir to prevent sticking. You want it to finish al dente. Make sure the pan is hot before shrimp go in so they develop color quickly and don't release water that dilutes flavor. You now balance timing. Check spaghetti 2 minutes early so it finishes in the sauce. Sear shrimp 2 minutes per side until just opaque. Remove them early because carryover heat will finish them. Lower heat, add minced garlic and lemon zest, then pour 1/2 cup white wine to deglaze, scrape brown bits for flavor. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter to emulsify the sauce. This creates a glossy coating that clings to pasta. Once pasta joins the pan, toss thoroughly so every strand is coated. You finish by combining drained spaghetti with the sauce and returning shrimp to the pan. Add 1/4 cup reserved pasta water to loosen if it seems dry, then toss until glossy. Taste and adjust with salt, pepper, a squeeze of lemon, and chopped parsley for brightness. Let it rest a minute so juices settle. Serve immediately. If shrimp start to overcook, remove them right away and fold back in at the end to reheat gently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.